how to view and learn all the physical keyboard shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on General Management. And in here, we scroll down and tap on Physical Keyboard. Next, tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. And in here, you'll be able to find out all the shortcuts to use with the physical keyboard. So we got the Command plus the return key to go back home. Command plus the backspace key to go back. Alt tab will open up the recent window. And close current app is Alt F4. Keyboard shortcuts, Command /. And we got notifications, Command N. And then if you scroll down, you have more shortcuts. If you swipe across or if you tap on the apps button at the bottom, this will show you all the shortcuts for your applications. So Command B will open up your internet browser. Command C will open up contacts. Command E will open up Gmail and so on. So here you got search, tips, calendar, maps, music, my files, messages, smart view, and settings. And as for systems, you got home, back, recent shortcuts, close current app, Alt F4, keyboard shortcuts, notifications, camera access on or off, Command Shift V, microphone access on or off using the Command plus the Shift and plus the A key. Lock screen, Command plus the Shift plus the L key will allow you to lock the screen. Screen off, capture window, switch languages either using Shift, Command, or Control space. And then you got switch languages, left out plus the Shift key, start, exit, def mode, DX mode. And that's it. So it tells all the commands for your system shortcuts, and then for apps shortcuts on the right hand side. And that's it. That is how you can use all the shortcuts on the physical keyboard when connected to your Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.